Hello Aquarius, welcome to my channel. This is your weekly career, business and money reading from 7 to 13 December. Now being a general reading, not all messages might resonate Aquarius, so keep whatever resonates. This is based on your sun sign and moon sign. You could check the other videos as well. So in this reading, you get to know what opportunities could present itself Aquarius in this week in your career, business or money situation, or what challenges you could face, if any, so that you can handle it better. So let's start. Aquarius's general energy for career, business and money situation. Aquarius's general energy for career, business and money situation 7 to 13 December. Universe and guides, spirits and guides, please guide. So let's start. The High Priestess. So you're gonna go spiritual. Okay, so Nine of Wands, Knight of Cups, King of Pentacle, great. Knight of Swords, Two of Swords. So I feel Aquarius here. The High Priestess. So maybe you will introspect within you yourself. This is also a card of, High Priestess is a card of having a lot of potential. So this week has a lot of potential in terms of your career, business, money. So use the opportunities. That's what it's trying. Also, you will be balanced. You will be intuitive. Your intuition, you will be guided by your intuition with this card. So follow your intuition. Guided by intuition, and be balanced. Do not rush into things. That's what you get with this High Priestess card. But definitely a week of high potential that comes. This comes because this, High Priestess, she doesn't have a roof over her head. So this shows that, there is the sky is the limit for your, potential here. You have that kind of a potential. So use it wisely. Some of you Aquarius but are still wounded, still hurt. You are in a difficult situation. It could be in finances. It could be stuck in a bad job situation or a bad, business situation here, but you are not giving up. You are still holding on firmly there. You are trying to give a good, you are trying to fight it back, the circumstances, but wondering still, whether when is the situation gonna get over. Nine of Wands. Yes, you have, been holding on there for quite some time. A little more patience is required, a little more time. Things will change for the better, Aquarius. After Nine of Wands, it's like you are almost on the last cycle of this hurt and pain, and things will change for the better. 2021 will be great for you Aquarius. Some of you are still stuck. That's what I pray and that's what I feel intuitively. Knight of Cups. So some good news, some emotionally good news coming to you here. Now this could be related to your emotional happiness. It could be in relationship, it could be in your work or career, business, money. It could be an offer of love, it could be a job offer, creative, mostly creative here. Yeah, job offers for some of you here, new opportunity, new partnership, new deals coming to you with this Knight of Cups here. You will feel good about it. King of Pentacles. So King of Pentacles, you are in this energy here. You will be planning things. You will keep your papers in order. You will be looking at long-term investments, short-term investments here to do, and you will try to find out various sources where you could invest your money. King of Pentacles is using every opportunity that comes to his benefit. Grasp the opportunities and make profits here, making money here, growing investments. That's what growing your financial foundation here. Very focused, very dedicated, very hardworking is the energy of King of Pentacles that you will be in this week here. You will also strike some deals and partnership which will get you good profits, Aquarius. Now Knight of Swords, it is like you will be very active. This week is gonna be really active. There will be a lot of communications that you will be handling. Some of you might travel related to work, so there will be a lot of movement going around with work, with business here. But that's gonna go great for you here. That's what I feel here. Some of you will be, visiting hospitals or charity institutions, helping others with finances or with your time or with your skills. That's what I get, and you will feel good about it. Some of you will also make charities. Even if you have little, you are gonna, do something for the undertrodden, and that's going to get you a lot of satisfaction, Aquarius. Now here, Two of Swords. So some of you here, Aquarius, will need to make a decision, a head over heart decision. So Two of Swords, making a decision, but you do not know what to do. Like, for this you need to go within and look for answers. You do not find these answers outside. It could be for a personal relationship, even in your job situation. There are certain concerns in your life for which you need to make a decision now. So this is, please make a logical decision. Do not make an emotional decision. That's what I see with this card. This card always guides you to make a logical decision from your mind and not from your heart with this cards here. You have a King of Pentacles, so money could be coming from various sources: farming, share market, buying, selling of immovable property. Again, from your investments that you have done, a business deal coming through, a partnership coming through, yeah. So these are the, also you have a good news, could also be a promotion or a pay hike for some of you here. So money could come from a small bonus or a small raise. In December you would just get the first hand information about it. So this is your reading. Now let me just pull out an angel guidance card, Aquarius. Angel guidance for Aquarius. Competition. Okay, so summon courage and self-confidence. This is your message here. So great message. This is it. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much and stay blessed.